Alright, so now there's gonna be two 10mm bolts. This one's from the bottom, and then there's one on top. Two 10mm nuts. Okay. Should I record this? Okay, so we're doing the bottom one right now. Just make sure you take the nut out. So we're using the flexing ratchet, or the ratchet wrench. It makes it a lot easier. It's kind of tough to focus in on this one. So once you got the 3 bolts out, just press on both of those tabs and it's just gonna pull through. That's the cable. And now for this piece, let's see what's the easiest way. Okay, it just popped out, so could just turn it out. Just take it easy so you're not breaking this plastic clip. So that's the handle. So you have the 1 bolt right here and 2 10mm nuts over there. Okay. And that's it.